Oh, my mom sent me, she always remembers me and mails me a little something something. And I just racked up on the buy one get one half off and coupons and whatever between Ulta and NYX. I got all of this. But the best thing about this, because NYX also sent me like two coupons. So I did it like in two orders, and plus if they have this new makeup something that you join it and you get a free gift after a certain amount of purchases, and I got this free sponge, facial sponge. This is like got all different like shapes into it that you can use. But this was the best part of it. I got this engraved, and they charged $2, but they did it for free. I got my name on this. And this is like the Budapest. These are metallic, by the way. Okay, so this one is Budapest, and it had. I wasn't gonna get it, but then I saw it on some swatches, and it's like a reddish brown, look like a brick red color. So of course I got all my my purples, all the metallic soft mattes, and you know my reds. Metallic soft mattes. They're pretty too. I swatched some of them. And oh man, I really wanted to try these dual chromes. You know, this is like 80s stuff. And 80s, I was like a teenager in the 80s. OMG, teenager, young adult. And I love these dual chromes. I wanted a pink. And it looked pink in the swatches when I saw the swatches, but this comes off white. So I got the pink. I got the purple, the blue, and the white, which has, all of them have pretty duochromes in them, except for that pink one. They had like 3 different shades of pink. This one is actually called the rose one, but it was the one that looked pinkish, and I don't know, it looks white on me. And I know I'm crazy, but I got the green. So really, really nice duochromes. So